Let's talk how you can customize your toolbar on macOS just like this. Welcome back to a new video, guys. Hope you're all doing well. So as you can see, this is the general just toolbar that you have, comes as standard on your MacBook or iMac, and some people like it, some people don't. I'm going to be showing you how you can customize that like I showed you before. All you need to do is press two fingers down on your trackpad and then this menu comes up. You can customize your toolbar however you like with all these options. I'm just going to drag and drop all these out so you can see me fully customize my toolbar however I want. You can even remove the search bar, so that's very nice. Let's get rid of all of that. Now if I click done, I've got nothing there on my toolbar, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to customize it. So there is a default one that is left as standard just at the bottom, so you can convert it back to like factory defaults if you want to. But let me just add in a few extra buttons such as the eject. Let's get the airdrop in as well and the connect. So I'm going to be showing you that these all work. These are very nice and useful features, and sometimes it is very handy to have these in the toolbar because you want to do something very quickly. I know people that find the airdrop one extremely useful to have up there. I'm not sure how useful the eject button will be there, but let's just test it out. So I've got this little YouTube test button here. I can click on the airdrop and I can easily airdrop it now. This message is just coming up because I don't have Bluetooth on, but it will work if I did. Anyways, hope you found the video useful. If you did, be sure to stay tuned for more videos just like this coming soon. Peace.